when we develop this idea of discipline, to me, it's not to make our life easier, but to challenge ourselves. And you can't start this as some huge thing. It needs to be developed in small increments, like with ourselves. It's a real struggle to just look within ourselves and say, hey, I really want to fix that. It starts with very small things. And these small things aren't for us to tell you. They're for you to discover. Like my obsession with washing my bike, it helps me organize my thoughts. It helps me organize my feelings. And that's why I wash my bike so much. It's something that is disciplined in my life, and it keeps my life simple. It adds this sense of organization to my life, and then it spills over into other areas. So if you attempt to organize the small things in your life, that takes a huge chunk of your life. The larger things will seem smaller in terms relating to stress. So start small, very small, accomplishable small, and develop big, seemingly impossible goals.